guys, so we're here with another video. I just wanted you guys to see my cat. That's the whole point of the video. He's so cute, or she, I don't know. I think it's a she though. Oh, she's wrecking that emoji, bro. Savage. Anyways, so right now, just a little video of my cat. Just gonna be a 1-minute video. Anyways, hope you guys enjoy seeing my cat playing around. I know, he's so cute. She's so cute, or he. Anyways, I didn't find a name for my cat yet. I just got it, like, yesterday. So, yeah. Ah, Savage! The attack of the cat.